Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 F-150 STX in blue with gray cloth interior, seating for 3. This is a 2-door regular cab with a 6-foot box. It has a 3.7 liter V6 engine, and it's also a 4x4. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door with roll-up windows. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control as well as your dash controls, and there's media control with volume as well as hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages as well as your odometer reading. Then we can just turn down the radio and you're seeing how many kilometers to empty, and so you can go through the average, timer, and then back around to trip A. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul, and when you press that you'll see it appear in the middle there and then go off. Up above there's a little place to put things. As well, you're seeing your media choices of AM, FM. You also have Sirius satellite radio and CD. There's traction control, hazard lights, and there's your buttons to control the different sources that you want to access, and plug in your favorites for your radio station. And below that you have the buttons for the media as well as your auxiliary line and your tuner. Off to the side is 4x4, and you also have your climate control with AC and max AC and your front defrost. Then you have the fan and temperature control. There's a 12-volt auxiliary line in, USB, the little cubby down below, and in the center there's an armrest, and then you can flip this up. You have another seat. It has a seat belt. You can unclip, more storage underneath, and you can slide this out for more cup holders. Off to the side is a little cubby as well as a 12-volt. Your glove compartments down below, manually dimming rear view mirror, and you have dome lighting up above. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and black running board, black door handle. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, and it's a flex fuel. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You have a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's got this nice mat as well as tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, flip up your tailgate, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. This is a regular cab, so you just have the 1 row of seats. But I brought the front seat forward just to show you there is a little bit of room in behind the seats so that you can put items, and there's also tabs at the back to be able to tether baby seats. Up above there's dome lighting as well as hooks. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass, as well as window vents, manual side view mirror, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.